Thank you for downloading Shopify MCF and Buyers Prime app. In this video, we'll walk through the onboarding and post-launch experience. After downloading the app, the very first screen is to connect Seller Central account. You will need to connect to the account, which will be used to fulfill the order. Once connected successfully, your screen will be automatically updated to the service selection page. You can either choose to onboard MCF or Buyers Prime to accelerate the growth of your business. You can click into each service to understand the requirements. If you choose to start with MCF first, you can update to Buyers Prime post-onboarding. If you choose to onboard to Buyers Prime, MCF will be enabled at the same time, but you'll be able to define the rank of all your fulfillment providers and manage how locations are assigned to each new order. Let's start with MCF first. Click Get Started. You will see two steps available. First step is to map your Shopify catalog with Amazon catalog. Shopify MCF and Buyers Prime app will automatically sync all the active products from your Shopify catalog and map based on SKU. If same SKU can be found from your Amazon catalog, the app will automatically map the products and enable MCF directly. If SKU couldn't be found, you can manually type in and enable MCF service. You can also choose to disable the service or update the SKUs. Once SKU mapping is completed, you will need to configure your shipping options. Shipping options allow you to define the shipping name, shipping speed, and shipping price, which will be displayed at product checkout. MCF offers two speed options: standard for 3 business days delivery speed and expedited for 2 days. If no options are created, the default speed will be applied. To create the customized option, click Add New Shipping Option. You can define the values in the pop-up screen. If conditional pricing is needed, you can leverage Shopify's shipping and delivery setting page for further customization. After completing SKU mapping and shipping options, you are ready with MCF launch. You can see the post-launch home screen, which will help you manage different aspects of your service, including order, fulfillment, Seller Central account, delivery widget, and existing shipping options. There are two things we'd love to highlight here. One is on the dynamic delivery widget. MCF offers dynamic delivery promise, which will help you calculate the shipping date and display on the product detail page. Click this link. It will take you to the theme editor to further customize your widget on your product detail page. You'll be able to see the options here on the left on the templates. Going back to the app home screen, you can also leverage the card to update your existing MCF service to Buyers Prime within a few clicks. You can follow the card down below on the screen, which will enable Amazon Pay and also connect Buyers Prime account as a prerequisite to use Buyers Prime service. Your MCF service won't be impacted, and you will get the benefits from Buyers Prime to attract Prime member to your site and boost conversion rate. If you are not using Amazon Pay now, you will be redirected to Shopify Payment to turn on Amazon Pay on the wallets by clicking this button. Once Amazon Pay is enabled, you will need to set up Buyers Prime account. Click Setup. You will see the login page. Please use Sign in with Amazon and reuse the Seller Central account which was connected earlier in App Setup. This will help you create a Buyers Prime account using the same login information. Once connected, You will see the success screen from Buyers Prime Merchant Console. You can click the button to go back to Shopify for the rest steps. Now the second step is completed. You can map your Shopify catalog with Amazon catalog. Similar to MCF onboarding, all the active products from Shopify will automatically sync over. If same SKU can be found on Amazon catalog, products will be auto-mapped. You can also manually type in the SKUs if needed. After mapping, please use a drop-down to select the service. You can either choose MCF or Buyers Prime. You can also turn off the service at any time or update the SKU if needed. The last onboarding step is shipping option configuration. Since MCF will be enabled together with Buyers Prime, you will need to define the shipping name, shipping speed, and shipping price, which will be displayed at product checkout when MCF is in use for your non-prime products. MCF offers two speed options, standard for 3 business days delivery speed and expedited for 2 business days. If no options are created, the default speed will be applied. To create a customized option, click Add New Shipping Option, and you can define the values in the pop-up screen. If conditional pricing is needed, you can leverage Shopify shipping and delivery setting page for further customization. After completing the 2 steps, you are ready with Buyers Prime Launch. Post-launch screen will help you manage different aspects of your service, including but not limiting to product mapping, orders, self-service troubleshooting, and merchant support. We hope you enjoy using the app. Thank you.